Menteri Rangba Khubor Konrad ke Sangma habakran bat kinong thok Khubor hakar phulai tarik ramphang halor ka jingbam don Dr. HC Mawiong hakapor baki Wanrah yu Dr. Riki AG Syngkon uloong ka jing Tohkit kalaya chakmat halor kani uloong bana kalyang jakatnat ka kot kakhya kala shim mi ki sen jam halor kani bat menteri katnat ka kot kakhya untip khambha halor kani ka jing Tohkit Konrad ulapan syairu habaya day bat ka jing don ki Dr. Khuborjylla uloong baka Sorkar haki senam baladab kim shimlala banya chakmat bantung doktor namar ka MPSC ru kala buun ki kam bakan hapan pendam uloong baka Sorkar kala shim ke senjam ban sedang daka recruitment board nak benta ki doktor bat nakani kirala bantung sans pangut ki doktor bat kumba lai pho hadu lai pusan ngut ki doktor specialist kila dab bantung kam shu uloong ba palat 1000 ngut ki briu lathung hakatanat ka kot kakhya bat kala khang biang lada Yanu jor but ki wake is nam baladem.
50 doctors, I don't know if you heard this, the reply last time, which was again stuck because of the fact that that there was no recruitment process and MPSC was overburdened. So we started a new recruitment board for the doctors, and based on that we have recruited 550 doctors now, and even specialists we have recruited about 30-35 specialists. So there has been an addition of maybe close to about 1,000 plus, about I can't remember the exact number, but it was 1,200 something plus manpower in the overall system, and it's a huge improvement compared to where we were before. A lot more needs to be done because we still have infrastructure shortages, and there's a reason why we are pumping in more money into health sector. If you looked at the budget, it is double that of the national average. It's because we realize that there's so many areas which we need to keep working on. So, there's already an inquiry that has taken place, and and based on that inquiry, I think the health department is taking necessary steps. So, I think health minister will be in a better position to reply to that. You can have a word with him.